Hello everyone, welcome back to the AGF channel. My name is Melly and I'm excited to bring you another fabric haul video. Today's video will be all about Bari J's brand new collection for AGF called Bloomsbury. To learn more about her inspiration for this collection, make sure to click the eye in the right hand corner of this video. But first, let me tell you about the free quilt pattern that is offered in this collection called the Lighthouse Windows Quilt, designed by Lynn Goldworthy. I think this quilt shows off the stunning prints in this collection so beautifully, with its hexagon stripe designs. To find out who won the Everlasting Fabrics giveaway, make sure to stick around to the end of the video. And anytime throughout this video, if you're enjoying what you're seeing, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. So now let's dive into the prints offered in Bloomsbury fabrics. So there are 15 beautiful quilting cottons offered in Bloomsbury fabrics. There are 14 great prints, and then there's one panel fabric. So I want to start off by talking about this beautiful panel fabric. It's a double-sided panel. So there's florals on one side and florals on the other side with a nice green middle. And there's just so many great ideas that people have already been sewing with this. In our lookbook, Alexis Wright from My Sweet Sunshine made this gorgeous dress. And if you want to check out what the pattern is, make sure to check out our fabric lookbook. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. But this dress is absolutely stunning. She somehow manipulated the sleeves, the bell sleeves in the dress, to have these flowers cascading down her shoulders. And then for the skirt of her dress, she added the florals at the bottom. So at the hem of the skirt are these beautiful flowers just growing up from the hem of her skirt. And it's just absolutely stunning. And there are just so many other great ways that you can use this panel. It would be great for backing of a quilt, so you can have all of the blooms just coming in from the sides of the quilt and from the tops of the quilt. It'd be cute for a table runner to have the flowers coming in from each side of the table runner. And then also, I can also see this as a tablecloth. If you just get enough fabric to cover your whole table, all you gotta do is hem all of the sides, and then you have a beautiful tablecloth to cover your table for a barbecue or for a baby shower or for just a get-together. I just think it's absolutely beautiful. So let me know in the comments below if you have any other great ideas that I didn't mention that you can make with this panel fabric. Okay, so let's start with the print that I think is the star of the collection, and it's this beautiful bird print, and it comes in two different colorways. This one is called Night Talks, and this one is called Day Chatter. And throughout this collection, the two different colorways kind of have a theme. There's like a daytime, and then there's a nighttime, with the nighttime being a little bit more moodier, a little bit more darker colors, a little bit more romantic, and then the daytime being a little bit more fresh, being a little bit more lighter colors. And so here are the two different options you have with this print. You have it in this nice white background, the beautiful birds and beautiful blooms, and then you have it in this nice dark navy color as well. And this print also comes in our canvas, which is the outfit that I'm wearing right now. And so the next print is another one of my favorites. It's a very interesting, fun, playful print, and it's this polka dot print. So here it is in the ivory background with the black dots, and then the dark black background with the white dots, and it makes it so interesting with these beautiful painterly bouquets in them. And this colorway also comes in knit, and we made a jumpsuit with this, and it's super cute. So here it is in the white, and I love the nice red and pink bouquets, so beautiful. And then in the darker colorway, you have the beautiful purples. So I think this would be perfect for apparel and for home decor, definitely. So the next print we have here is this beautiful floral print. It's a very activated print, a very energizing print. And if I open it up, you'll see it's like flowers that are mirrored from each other, creating this like kaleidoscope feel with all the beautiful colors. And so here we have like the nice dark and light blues and greens, and then we have this nice lime green and darker greens with the beautiful pink florals. So I feel like to appreciate this print in all of its glory, you should probably create larger scale projects. So that's why I feel like home decor would be perfect for both of these prints. And then we have this great texture print. And these prints kind of reminded me of impressionist artwork like Monet and Van Gogh, with all the beautiful abstract brush strokes turning into this beautiful overall piece of art. And I love how much texture it gives you. There's not that much background. It's all covered up and it just has so much movement to it. So here it is in the darker colorway, and then here it is in the lighter colorway. And again, I think this would just create great home decor projects. So here we have some more beautiful painterly florals. And if I open it up, I love that this print is super interesting with the beautiful textured cloudy background, this nice teal. It kind of adds like an enchanting magical feel to these florals, and it's on this nice dark background. And I just feel like this print is very moody, very romantic. This colorway also comes in our rayon. And then we have it in the nice baby blue background, and the texture on this is a nice white cloudy background. And I just feel like this is such a fresh colorway. So I'm loving all the vintage feels and all the painterly textures and how busy all of these prints are. But if you're wanting to quilt with this collection, I feel like you need some great blenders to break up all these busy prints. So this next print is called the Knotted Trellis print, and I'm loving the organic lines in this print and the beautiful feminine pink, and then this nice romantic teal color. So these prints would be very fun to help kind of break up these busy prints. And this next print is also packed full of texture. There's not a lot of background showing in this print. So I just feel like Bari designs fabrics like as if she's painting on a canvas, and she just likes to cover up that canvas with all of the beautiful brush strokes. So again, this is just another beautiful textured print. So here is the last print offered in Bloomsbury fabrics. It's this beautiful decorative stitch blender print. And I feel like this print would just be perfect to help kind of break up all of these busy prints so you can better appreciate all of the prints in your quilting projects. I'm super excited to let you guys know that AGF now carries 99 great colors in our pure solid quilting cottons. So to find your favorite color, make sure to click the link below where you can view all of our pure solids. But first I'm going to go through all the pure solids that work perfectly with Bloomsbury fabrics. I mean, just take a look at this juicy, beautiful bundle. So this first color I have right here is called Appletini, and it's this beautiful lime light green color. And then we have this Pistachio Creme, which is a nice light pastel-y green. And then we have Flamingo Pink, which is a very like coral, hot pink, very saturated pink. And then we have our Quartz Pink, which is a medium shade of pink, very feminine. And then we have our Very Berry, which is this very saturated pink purple color. And then we have our Dried Carrot, which I really love, this orange. It's a little bit more muted orange, and it's just a beautiful earthy type orange. And then we have our Zambia Stone, which is this nice greenish bluish dark color. And then we have our Nocturnal, which is our darkest shade of navy, and it's just so rich and so beautiful and romantic, and I love adding this. Instead of using like a harsh color like black, Nocturnal is just a great option to use instead. And then we have our Ocean Waves, which is this beautiful light blue, beachy blue color. I'm super excited to talk about the canvas that is offered in Bloomsbury fabrics. It's this beautiful bird print with a nice rich navy background. And I'm loving this print so much. I think it'd make a great handbag and obviously a beautiful outfit. I'm wearing my overall jumper by McCall's, and I also think it would make great vests or handbags or anything that you want to have a little bit more structure to. Our AGF canvas is like not very lightweight, but it has just the right amount of structure, and the weave is a little bit looser weave, which makes it perfect for making apparel. Get excited for our rayon that's offered in this collection. It's this beautiful floral print. Bari just always shocks us with her beautiful artistic florals. We just can't get enough of it. So besides for making beautiful dresses, skirts, blouses, I can also see making beautiful scarves, long scarves, short scarves, scarves to tie to your handbag, to tie in your hair, to make as a scrunchie, or loose fitting pants. I just feel like whatever you make with this fabric, you'll just feel really put together, romantic, boho, and very chic. So there are 4 great knits offered in this collection. They're all very floral inspired with Bari's signature painterly style. So here is the first one. It's this great pink floral print, very springy. And then we have another great floral print in this nice baby blue background. And I'm just loving all the different colors in this. Very jaw-dropping print. And then this is one of my favorite knits from the collection because it's a great take on polka dots. So if you're like a black and white girl, you like lots of black and white in your wardrobe, this is a great print to maybe add because it has that ivory background with the black dots, but then it pizzazzes it up a little bit with these great red floral bouquets. And then our last knit that's offered is this great, I feel like this is like a jungle print, like you're lost in the jungle amongst all this greenery and all these great pops of pinks and orange flowers. So of course, I'm always way too excited not to give you guys a sneak peek of the next block that's coming up in the AGF Quilt Block collection. Here is my next block. It's called the Prized Possession Block, and I love the cute fussy cut bird in the center of my block. So if you're interested in learning how to make this block, make sure to stick around for the next video coming out in the AGF channel. So wow, after going through all the prints in Bloomsbury fabrics, I'm super excited to get busy sewing. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite print or substrate is that you can't wait to start sewing with. For me, it's definitely the AGF Bloomsbury canvas. I'm loving these gorgeous birds in a rich dark background. Besides for making more outfits, I definitely want to try to make a handbag or possibly an area rug in this fabric. So now it's time to announce the winner of the Everlasting Fabrics giveaway. And the winner is Julie Spear. And she's been dying to try AGF knit and rayon. And I can't wait for her to get her hands on it so she can make those loose-fitting, flowy capris for summer that she plans on making. So because I like to spice things up, this giveaway will feature 2.5 yards of AGF Bloomsbury canvas. Have you guys sewn with canvas yet? If you have, let me know what you think in the comments below. To enter this giveaway, make sure to share this video with all your sewing friends, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to the AGF channel. Also, make sure to comment with your favorite go-to pattern making company. If you sew with Bloomsbury fabrics, make sure to use the hashtag AGF Bloomsbury if you share your creations on social media, so we can see all your beautiful makes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, happy sewing. Hello everyone, welcome back to the AGF channel. My name is Millie. I swear I know what my name is. My name is Melissa.